morning kids, hope you all are fine, safe and healthy. Today's subject is English 4.7, let's speak. So children, you will see the picture of a park. You just see the picture and you have to describe about the picture. Now I will tell you and you have to see the picture. So children, I also want answer from you. You can see the picture here, slide. Yes children, second picture what you can see, bushes. Yes, very good. Third picture, tree, monkey is sitting on the tree. Yes, very good. Seesaw, two children are sitting on the opposite sides playing the seesaw. And you will see the jungle gym. The boy is doing his gym exercise. And then two girls sitting on the swing with the colorful dresses. Two boys playing with the balloon. A man is selling ice cream. That is, he is called ice cream vendor. And the girl is on the bicycle, riding on a bicycle. One man and one boy is walking on near the bushes. And two elderly people are there. That is one middle age and one senior citizen granny is sitting there on the bench. They both have worn the specs and she has worn a kurta pajama suit and the granny has worn the sari children. So now my first question to you, do you go to a park? Yes, come on children, I want answer from you. Do you go to a park? So, what you will say? Yes. Yes. What you will say children? Yes. My first question is, do you go to a park? So, what you will say? Yes. What all things you see in the park children? Yes. What all things you see in the park? Yes children? Yes, very good. You see a slide, jungle gym. Yes, very good. And then you will see ice cream vendor and you will see a slide. In this way, the things you enjoy in the park. And what do you play with children? What do you play with? Yes, now my second question is, my first question is, do you go to a park? So what answer you will say? Yes, I go to a park every day. And then sometimes you get negative answer also. Like you say no, I do not go to a park, I play in the garden of my building. Like this also you can say. So there are two answers are there, yes or no. And you will say there are sometimes near my house there are no parks, and you can say I play in the compound of my building. So the conversation about the park is different. All the answers of the children will be different. Some children will say yes, some children will say no. So answers from the children will be different. What do you play with children? Yes, my second question is, what do you play with? I play with hide and seek with my friends. I play hide and seek with my friends. And then I play football or cricket with the children from my building also. So do you buy an ice cream? My third question, which is given on the textbook page number 61. Third question, do you buy an ice cream? Yes, in summer mummy gives me money to buy ice cream. I do not eat ice cream because I get a cold. Sometimes some children they say they don't eat ice cream. Why children? They get cold. So I do not buy ice cream. Mummy gets it from the shop. So you are getting the conversation in different ways from the different children. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I ride very well. I do not have a bicycle. Sometimes some children they don't have bicycle. So they don't ride bicycle. But daddy is going to buy a new bicycle for that child. I am learning to ride. Some children they don't know to ride bicycle. So they are learning to ride bicycle. Sometimes they go early in the morning to ride bicycle with their father. Same way, my fifth question, sorry. Do you like to walk on the lawn? Yes. Yes, I write very well. Yes. I remove my shoes and run on the lawn in the garden. Do you like to walk on the lawn? Yes, I remove my shoes and run on the lawn. See children, walking on the lawn with the bare feet, you feel very comfortable rather than walking with the sandals and all. So you get a good exercise walking bare feet without sandals on the lawn. Yes, when I am with my parents, I go and walk on the lawn. I like to play games like cricket and football. My last question is, children, do you like to play on the seesaw? No, I do not like to go up and down on the seesaw. Some children, they don't like to play on the seesaw. Yes, I play wherever my friend is with me. No, I like to play games when I can run a lot. So children, you get different answers and different answers from different child. Some child is telling yes, some child is telling no. Yes, whenever they are with their friends, they play. And why it is no? I like to play games where I can run a lot. Some children, they like running, so they play running games. So children, you will see the picture on page number 61 of the textbook, and filling the blanks, choosing the you will see the so children, you will see, look at the picture and complete the sentences which is given in the workbook. Jill is playing with the dash. So you can see the picture which is given in the workbook, children. So Jill is playing with the dog. You can see the picture, that is Jill is playing with the dog. Yes, so answer is dog, right. Second is Sona is dash. Sona is painting. Very good. Third sentence. Pia is playing on the slide. Yes, what is the answer? Pia. Sam is kicking the dash. Yes, what is the answer, children? Football. Dash and dash playing in the sand. Maya and Adi. Very good. Raj is riding a bicycle. So children, I hope you have enjoyed the picture on this, and this picture, I hope you have enjoyed it, and you have. Let's meet in our next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.